Now, this little vest that you see that I have on, not affiliated with whatever this company is, but my husband, boy, he be looking out. This vest is heated. There's a battery pack. You probably can't see, but it's a battery pack in the pocket on the inside here, and you charge it up, and then once it's full, of course, unplug it, connect it to the vest, and you got a warm jacket. And as long as my core is warm, I'm good. So I'm good. And it feels so good too. It's got a warmer on the back of your neck. It has one down your back, and it just kind of wraps around your waist. It is like a big warm hug. So yeah, and of course he got it from my favorite store, so they need to pay me for as much as I advertise them. But anywho.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It only takes a couple of clicks. Your efforts are noticed and are greatly appreciated.
I will say this. The vest, my body is warm. My hands are cold because I just got them out of water. But I love this vest. Absolutely love this vest. And it's not too hot to where you start sweating. I like it. So, thanks, sweetie.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.